Here you have a very interesting survivor. It's a 1962 Lancer two-door sedan. This is sold by your Dodge dealer, and essentially a rebadging of the Valiant at the time. Basically the same car. This one has had the back seat removed, and those seat covers, of course, are not original, and nor are the door cards. The dash is original. You notice the push button automatic and the aftermarket AC. It's just amazing this car survived because you just don't see them at all. Now the front end has a different grille than the Valiant, as you'll see. It looks like they have a 225 slant 6 under the hood with a different carburetor. And that's the Lancer grille. But essentially the overall sculpture of the car is exactly the same as the Valiant. Details differed. Back in the day they had their dual franchises were predominant, so you would have Plymouth DeSoto, Plymouth Chrysler, Plymouth Dodge, and then you would have Dodge as separate or added to another make. So everybody had a small car to sell throughout the Chrysler Corporation. You notice the taillights are different. That's, of course, an appropriate license plate for the time.